Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Yeah, buddy!
Hey, don't forget to get yourself a pack of these blenders.
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit.
Yeah, buddy. We're back with another one, man. Today we are at Hollister's ATV park, man. I think this is a hidden gem right here. So we're gonna get out here, get into this action. Let's put on these waders, you know what I mean? And shouts out to Brewers, man, for hooking us up with that new Can-Am, you know what I mean? Shout out to y'all over there. And don't forget, guys, get yourself a pair of these blenders. Link is in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, baby. Let's go. All right, well, it's about that time. Let's get out here, hit these trails, and see what's going on, baby. I think it's gonna be a pretty good day. I'm not sure if it rained yesterday or not, but I think we might get a little bit muddy today. So let's get to it, baby. I'll pick you guys back up when we're on the trails. All right, so look, we made it down here to the pond. They got a pond all the way back up in here, so I walked it a little bit to see how it was. It's kind of deep over there, but we're gonna sit it right here for first, you know what I mean? This is my first time out here, my first time really putting this thing in the water, so let's see what's up. We got him test driving right now, you feel me? It's like a little dip right there, man. I don't know about that one. Here, take my watch for me, put it in the bag.
It's deep in the middle.
Yeah, it's like deep, like right here, right here. I know it's deep over there. That's deep over there. Alright, so this pond is definitely fun, dog. This pond is definitely fun. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this pond. I am feeling this pond. I like this right here. It's a little bit deep over there, but look, we about to go and see if we can't find something else to get into, because this place is semi big. So let's see what else they got out here. That looks dried up, and I ain't got nobody to pull me out. So, but yeah, man, let's move to the next hole.
Hey.
All right, so look, we found a little hole. We're gonna see what this thing hitting for right here. So let's see what we got, baby. Man, that last hole, I don't know about that one. That wasn't nothing, but we're gonna try this one. Let's see what this one's talking about. Look, that puddle don't look that bad, but it's got a lot of water in it, man. A lot of water in it. I'm gonna skim it. I'm gonna go through it slow this time. Let's see how deep it is. We can go through it slow, see what she's talking about. See? All right, let's go find something else to play in. I think this one right here might be worth something.
Damn.
That is deep. I ain't gonna make it up there. Ain't no way. We ain't got nobody to pull us out neither. I don't think I'm gonna make it up there. Let me see how deep it is right here. Just right here alone. Man, it's knee deep. Oh, no, she's deeper than that. She's deep right there. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through there. So, we're just gonna back it up. Go back the other way. Let's go wash off at the pond. Let's get it. Let's get this thing to the pond, baby. too deep, bud. That's a fun little puddle with a little drop to it. That's a fun little puddle with a little drop to it. That ain't bad right there. All right, so we here. We found a couple of mold holes right here. So I'm gonna hit this one right here, and then little man gonna hit that one over there, and then I'm gonna hit it right behind him. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Let's do it.
We're gonna go hit that one over there. I'm gonna go hit that one over there. Let's go to that one. Hollister ATV Park is definitely a plus, man. Hey, if you're in the area, go ahead and come out here, man. There's plenty of mud, plenty of water. We'll give this park probably like an 8 out of 10. You know what I mean? 8 out of 10. I got a little bit of everything for you though. But hey, man, till next time, make sure you like and subscribe. On to the next one.
Yeah, buddy!
Good, baby.
Know you niggas can't compete, got it out the money, turn it to a beast, yeah. Real ones on the team, show up and show up when we roll deep, yeah. I got real riders on my side, tell them other niggas take a seat. Yeah, do my own stunts, you know how I ride. Catch up, you don't go on top speed. I'ma take off like Zoom, young niggas stay on the go. Young niggas stay on the move, I make it do what they do. Can't be fucked with, I don't know what not to do. Yeah, don't make me spaz out, don't make me crash out. Nigga, don't ever get this shit confused. I'm in my bag now, I'm about to cash out. Counting on hundreds, I'm counting on blue. On a whole different level, kinda so hard.